Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials and asking precisely. State your Python version, list any libraries you prefer, and give 1 or 2 input examples. Once done, request a runnable Py file and an explanation of each function so you understand why it works. Make sure to ask for error handling and how the script should be run locally. This keeps Chatgpt focused on executable code rather than generic snippets, and it saves you back and forth edits down the line. Next, you run the code in a controlled environment, paste it into a Py file or an interactive REPL, then execute to see initial output. If dependencies are missing, pip install them with the exact names Chatgpt provided and double-check versions. Once the script runs, adapt variables and add print statements or simple logging to trace logic. This iterative testing clarifies how each part behaves and lets you refine inputs and edge case handling until results match your examples. Finally, you finalize by refactoring the script into clear functions, commenting key steps, and creating a requirements TXT for reproducibility. If something fails, copy the full stack trace and ask Chatgpt for a focused fix, including the offending line and your environment details. Make sure to test multiple inputs and edge cases, and then write a short README explaining how to run the file and expected output. One troubleshooting tip: reproducible errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.